light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. You are here.
In this series, I will take you through some beautiful worship song chord progression. We'll start in an easy, comfortable key so that you can flow along smoothly, and then we'll move into the original key of the song. Along the way, I will show you some fills, intros, and interludes that fit perfectly in these sections. The first song we're going to look at is WayMaker by Sinach. The original key of the song is B. But I'm going to do it on the key of C first, and I will take you back to the key of B, which is the original key. So the intro is this. So I play from the third, the scale of C, again, in case you are just joining us. So that's the scale of C. So we're starting on the third. I couple it together with chord 4. The next one, you can see back to chord 1 of my left hand, then that's chord 5, then I did, that's all, then you repeat it again, chord 4, then same way, then look at it, chord 5, then that's the only change there. Then along the line, I was just adding some fill up notes, so which is this. So what I played there is this. As you can see, I've done it slowly, and that's all. Then I did chord 6. So when the song starts, you're having this here. You are here. You have chord 4. Moving in our midst. The same way, same chord progression. I worship you. So that's what I did there. So I have chord 5. I just grace on the 6th degree of the scale. So then I worship you. Then I did this. That's the whole feel there. Then it goes back again. Then I worship you. So originally, if you want to go back again, you can do what? Moving in a midst. The chord would now be I worship you, which is 6, 5. Then I worship you. That's where that note melody comes in. If you follow my tutorial, we've done that under feel. Walking in a maze. Same way. I worship you. I worship you. The same chord progression. Then going to the chorus, you have this. Let me take it in. Going to the chorus, you have then this. You did see that? So I'll take it slowly. Then this. You grace it. Very simple. If you learn that, you can always use it when you are playing. You might have even heard it in most of the CCM music, gospel music, that the pianist did something like that. So you're gonna be the left hand will be playing the 7th, and you're going to the 5th. So we have this. Then WayMaker, miracle work. So what did I do there? There. So we're just, instead of you playing 6 ordinary to 5, you just harmonize with this melody. say that. My God, that is who you are. That's all. So if you also want to do other further fill, I will advise that you slow down the intro I did to see every other fill I've done. So that's entirely all the song. So the chord progression once again is on the intro. Walking in a maze. One. That's the key of C. I worship you. Don't forget that. I worship you. So we are going the chord progression is 4, then 1, then 5, and 6. Every other thing I'm doing is the fill. Now taking it to the original key, which is B. So that's the key of B, the same way the intro goes there. So we're having. See that? See that then? You are here. Your chord 4 is this. So if you play the scale of B, 1, 2, 3, 4. So chord 4. Moving in and out. 1. I worship you. I did exactly the same way I did on the key of C. I worship you. Then this. See that? 4 again. Moving in. Same way I did on the C. I worship you. Remember? I was 6, 5. Don't forget. I worship you. Then look at it. You see that? Then even going to 4, you can do this again. After I worship you. Right? You can do this. I worship you. You can do this. To go to chord 4. I'll play it again. So instead of you just striking chord 4 like this, or you're adding chord 4, 7, whatever you want to play on the chord, but I would advise you put that melody on it. So I'll play it again. And that's going to chord 4. Walking in I will just add me adding night. That's all. Then to 6. Then I worship you. Then going to the chorus again, look at it. I grace it. So I did. Then look at it. Yeah. So the left hand is playing T, which is 7, 5. So look at it again. WayMaker, instead of that, you do. See this part? So that's just chord 6, but you play it as the melody. That's chord 6, sus 4. The same way again. So I did. If you watch my tutorial on feel, I've done this before. So that's the whole entire feel of the chord and the interlude of this amazing, beautiful worship song by Sinach. So as time comes, by the time you practice those feels, that is why it's called feel, which is F-I-L-L, right? But the way I look at it is feel, which is F-E-E-L. The way you feel about the song, those things can come. And you doing 1 or 2, you never can tell. By the time you are playing, your finger might mistakenly touch 1 or 2 notes. Make sure that the note you are touching is within the scale of the song. So if you are touching outside the scale of the song, make sure it's deliberate and you know how to resolve the tension.
You are here, walking in this place. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, moving in our midst. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, walking in this place. I worship you. I worship you. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keep, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keep, light in the darkness. That is who you are. You are here, touching every heart. I worship you. I worship you. You are here.
So you can see you picking on the key of C makes you more comfortable, and then you can see the chord more open. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share with someone who might need it, and most importantly, don't forget to check my next video and my playlist. I've done several tutorials that will help you grow as a musician.